Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about progressive web applications, or PWAs in short, and how they work with MSIX packaging. Now, PWAs combine the best of websites and mobile apps, offering a fast, reliable experience without needing an app store. A progressive web app is actually more or less a website that functions like an app. So it runs in a browser, but feels like a native applications. PWAs usually offer fast performance, offline access. They are secure because they are using the HTTPS protocol. Also, they offer additional functions like push notifications and app-like experience. We already have some big companies like Twitter, Starbucks, and Spotify, which already use PWAs to improve their services. PWAs are useful for businesses and developers because they work on any device, mobile and desktop. They can be accessed offline. They offer real-time notifications. They reduce the development costs, and they improve the search engine visibility. Now, in terms of how you can create and build a PWA, there are plenty other tutorials out there. Basically, you would need to use an HTTPS communication for your website. You then need to have a specific manifest.json file, and you need to set up a service worker. Of course, your UI must be responsive and have a good design in general to offer consistent experience across devices. But for the purposes of this video, and probably the easiest way to create a PWA is to go to Microsoft PWA Builder, and let's open it up here. And as you can see, this is the website pwabuilder.com. And basically, if you don't want to get more into it, all you need to do is just type the URL of your PWA. For example, as I mentioned, Spotify already offers this. So if we go to Spotify and just copy paste the link here in our PWA Builder and click Start, this will take a while. This now tests your website, let's call it like this, to see if it's compatible to be transformed into a PWA application. You can also edit your manifest, you can define your service worker, app capabilities, and so forth and so on. Once this is done, you will see we do have some notifications here, but that's not with us. We didn't build Spotify. But anyway, we can click on package for stores. And as you can see, this is available more or less on the most popular OSs out there like Android, iOS. You can even generate your package for MetaQuest. But what we are here in this video for is the Windows package. And if you see, we can generate the package for Windows. Here you will need to type a package ID, a publisher ID, and a publisher display name, right? This is what I did previously. I think it remembered my selection. And now we just download the package. Once the package is downloaded, this will be downloaded as a zip file. We can extract the zip file. And let me extract it here for better visibility. And as you can see, the package itself is just an MSIX, right? You have your sideloading, you have your MSIX bundle, you also have a PowerShell script for easy installation, some utilities here like PWA installer. But more or less, if you want to distribute it via the Microsoft Store, you have your MSIX bundle. Of course, if you want to sideload it, you have your sideload MSIX. Now, what Advanced Installer did in its latest release, you can edit your MSIX package before submitting anything. You can edit it with Advanced Installer 22.6, and this will allow you to modify any package details, adjust your browser settings, sign the package for sideloading, and so forth and so on. So, for example, if I open up my Advanced Installer and I open this package in particular, let's open the sideload. You can do pretty much all the changes that you do on a normal MSIX file. You can add a digital signature, right? Because without a digital signature, you cannot install your application. Of course, you can try to edit here some files and folders, see if there is any registry you want to add. Additionally, here you have the application details. And as you can see, your host ID is a PWA, and these are the parameters that we need to use. Of course, you are using the edge here. You can define visual assets and so forth and so on. Now, just for the purposes of this, I will try to add a certificate here. And let's save. And now if we go right click and select properties, there you go. We have our digital signature here. Okay, now let's try to install this application and launch when ready, of course. And there you go. We have Spotify as a PWA app already modified, installed, and ready to go. So PWAs are becoming more and more popular as cost-effective, flexible way to deliver your quality apps. And to get started, check out PWA Builder and Advanced Installer. Thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.